Pan-seared salmon with lemon garlic butter sauce. This deliciously easy salmon recipe is restaurant quality, the one I make often for our family. Cook this healthy, quick, and easy weeknight dinner with me. Take 8 pieces of salmon fillet. Remove the fish from the refrigerator about 15 to 20 minutes before you're ready to start cooking, in order to bring them up closer to room temperature. Season with salt, and black ground pepper. Warm a large nonstick frying pan or skillet with oil over medium-high heat. And cook the fish for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Keeping the skin on salmon makes it easier to flip, but it can be removed easily with a knife or spoon. Transfer to a plate. Chop 1 onion finely. Mince 3 garlic cloves, chop lemon into thin slices. Grate 100 grams of Parmesan cheese. Add olive oil to the same skillet. Melt 25 grams of butter. Fry onion and garlic until fragrant. Add 100 milliliters of dry white wine, and 200 milliliters of cream, 15 to 20% fat. Mix well. Add grated cheese and stir. Season with salt. Add spinach, stir again, place lemon slices into the skillet. Add a few rosemary sprigs, next, place the fish in the sauce, cover with lid, and cook for 12 minutes. Depends on sizes of fillet pieces. Meanwhile, grate the carrot, chop the onion, and fry in a deep pan with olive oil. Add a cup of brown rice, mix well. Season with salt, add cup of water and cook with lid. Cook 40 minutes. Serve immediately. Enjoy your salmon with lemon garlic butter sauce. Share your experience in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.